Well, I'm here today because for years I have been enjoying the benefits of homeopathy. Dr. Jawahar Shah has been very kind, and he's been part of my family for years, right from my time my kids were small. In fact, before my kids were born, my mother, who was ailing with asthma for many years, and I think the only relief and benefit she used to get was with homeopathy. And I think it's wonderful, and especially when it comes to kids. That's one thing I've always relied on, because very strong medication with all its side effects, we all try to avoid that. And that's been a boon and a blessing. And it's strange that I come from a family of all allopaths. My sister, my brother, brother-in-law, everybody are medical doctors. They're all MDs. So when I would go to homeopathy, they would say, you know what, we are all doctors here and you still choose to go to homeopathy. So, but over the years, I think I have been telling them that they should try homeopathy, because it's really something which gives you relief without any side effects. That's my belief in it. And I think the whole world recognizes it today. In India, of course, we rely on it in very, very definite ways. And I would say that, unfortunately, as in all other fields of medicine and other fields, there are few things which can go against. And I know there are malpractices in every field, and I have heard of some strange incidents where they say, oh, they put things in the medication and do that. So I'm sure that those are things which you all are going to fight, and this is the things which you all, like even medical doctors have to go against all those allegations. So I think as qualified doctors, that is the thing you have to bring upon to people, that there are no hidden things here. Their medication which is as measured with as much of ingredients which are absolutely under control. Because that was one of the questions I had at one point. Like all other allopathic medicines, we know how much exactly, how many milligrams or micromilligrams go into it. In homeopathy, do we know it? So self-medication in homeopathy probably is as bad as self-medication in other things. So those are my few concerns, and that's the message I think we need to give to people around, that we do need doctors to guide you. You do need dosage given according to the requirements of the patient. And I think let us all benefit by your knowledge. Wish all of you all the best. Many, many, I would say, future years of doing good to people who are going to benefit by all of you. And I'm really privileged here to meet the great-great-great-grandson. How many? That's 4 greats, right? 4 times great grandson of the father of homeopathy. Thank you so much. Wish all of you a very bright future for all the hard work and education you've put in. Thank you.